Hey everybody, Mrs. Peterson here, and I was just getting ready to do something in Photoshop for designing a logo for my home studio, but I was thinking I could do it a little bit quicker somewhere else. So my home studio was going to be Peterson Home Studio. Wow, that's so hard. Peterson Home Studio PHS, which is also the name of my junior high that I went to in Kansas City, Missouri. And I went to this monogrammaker.com, typed in my initials. I've already been here, so I know that there's only probably two fonts that I want to use, either this one or this one, but they have some real frilly stuff too. Maybe for photography kids, you might like something like that, or graphic design. But for video, I'm thinking probably this one or this one. And I looked around for something that looked like a camera. I couldn't really find it. And so right now, by the way, I'm pushing shift down to make that circle perfect. That's a Photoshop trick. I think I'm going to go ahead and make it bigger so when I import it, it's larger. I've actually used this website before because I made something for my family for Christmas. It was monogrammed pajamas, and it was a lot of fun. But yeah, I used this website before. So anyway, I just thought I'd show you just a fun way to make a monogram or a logo. There's logo maker places too, and I'm going to look into those as well. But this is just a place where I'm looking at right now. I'm thinking of the round as sort of a lens from a camera or a video camera, and I'm going to turn it into a PNG so I can place it on my front screen. So this is a quick look at what I'm going to do, and maybe you can play with it on your time as well. I love you, miss you already. Go out and change your world for the better.